So here's how to delete messenger messages. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First you will need to log into your messenger. Then from here you have to select the chat from which you want to delete your messages. After that, here you have to select the message or messages that you want to delete. Once you select the message, then it will pop up this menu. Now here you have to click on the more option and then click on the remove. Once you click on it, now it will pop up this menu. From here you have to select the unsend or remove for you option. After that, your message will be removed from here. And if you want to delete the message of other person, you have to repeat the same process. You have to select the message and then click on the remove for you option. After that, your message will be removed. And if you want to delete the entire conversation, you have to select your chat, and once you select the chat, now it will pop up this menu. From here you have to click on the delete option. Once you click on this option, now your chat will be deleted. But if you don't want to delete your messages or simply just want to hide your chat, you have to click on the chat and then click on the archive option. So these were the few methods to delete messages on Messenger.